Hello everyone. Today we have some of the tasks. So these are the tasks as accessing the hardware components in the Android system. So the first one is like Google Maps. So when we click the locate me button, so it will locate it should locate the location of a user where he is present. And when we hit the camera, so it should access the camera permissions, and we should be able to click an image and show the image on the screen. When we click on the audio or microphone button, so it should ask for the permissions of accessing or denying, and we should be able to record the audio, and we should able to play back the audio. And when we click on the storage, so we should be able to enter some data and save the data, as well as when we click on open, so it should fetch back the data. These are some of the tasks given. So initially, this is the main activity. In this, we have routed to all other intents when we click on the button. So when we click on the button, it will route back to the maps, camera, record, store activities. That is the main activity. In camera activity, so initially it will show it will show the layout, and it will ask the permissions to the user. So if the permissions are given, so it will click an image, and the image will be converted back to the bitmap image, and it will be shown on the screen by using set image bitmap. In the When we click on maps button, so initially for maps we should go with the google google maps. So I'm taking the key from here and storing that. So the key is stored over here, the key is stored over here, and that variable is called in the maps. Initially, when the map is ready, it will ask device permissions. So we can either access or deny using that method is defined over here, and the map settings are defined in init map. And in this method, check location permission, it will check the location permission whether it is enabled through our app or not. And once everything permissions are given, then it will set the location, and a marker will be the camera will be moved to that location, and a marker will be placed at that spot. With the record one, we can create the record. These are the different methods, like we can create the record, we can start the record. When we click on start recording, then it will ask for the recording permissions, and when everything is done, then we can record the video or some audio. uh, we can stop the recording, we can play back the record, and we can stop the playback. In the case of store activity, so we can we can enter some data, and we can save the data. It will be saved to some path, and we can later on we can fetch back through that path. If there are errors, then they will be caught in catch blocks. This is completing. So when I run the application, it will open, and these are the four different buttons. So when I click on display location, location will be displayed like this. It will display with a marker on the maps. When I click on take photo, then it will ask for permissions, and then click an image. It will open the camera, and we can click on image. That image will be displayed over here. So when I click on record, a record activity will be open, and click on start recording. We can speak over that. Hello, and stop recording, and we can play back and we can stop the playback. When we click on save to storage, so here we can enter some text like YCP, and when we hit on save, then the data will be saved, and when we click on load data, the data will be fetched back. These are the complete functionalities. Everything are displayed in the wiki clearly. Thank you.